Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aisyah. I'm a student of Nusa Putra University. I will talk about human resource management strategy and analysis. Abstract. Human resource is one of the important competitive advantage for the company because human resource are the implementer of every activity in the company. For this reason, a with human resource management is needed in order to achieve high performance. With a business strategy and appropriate human resource practice, it will result in organizational performance that can achieve competitive advantage. If managed properly, compensation and help an organizational achieve its goals and elsewhere. Maintain and retain productive work. That's most attractive for of remuneration and the most potential to motivate employees' performance is non-financial remuneration. Companies generally recognize that they are obligated to provide insurance and other programs to ensure the health, safety, security, and welfare of the employees. These compensation programs are designed with the aim of retaining employees. Introduction. Increasingly sharp competition, rapid technology change, and environmental change that tend to be radical that occur in almost all aspects of human life as a result of globalization have led to a new paradigm shift. On the one hand, these changes are a threat to human survival, but on the other hand, they create opportunity for a company to develop its company. Therefore, though a reliable human resource strategy, it is a driving force for an organizational and economic actor to carry out transformation in every business activity in order to be able to follow, adapt, and take advantage of opportunity and challenge, and anticipate every threat that exists in order to survive and create competitive advantage sustainable. Material and research. The research material intakes from existing data and then developed again. This study examines the relationship between strategy and human resource management. The type of research used are, among other, development research method which aim to investigate the sequence and pattern of growth or change. Case research method which aim to study the background of a situation intensively. Comparative causal research method which aims to investigate possible cause relationship through observation of data from factors substituted to be the cause for comparison, as well as research and development research methods, namely research method that go through a series of processes in order to develop a new product or improve an existing product. Result. According to Crane and Wright, strategy is the setting of long-term goals and objectives, targeting and long-term goals of a company and the direction of action and allocation of resources needed to achieve the goals and objectives. According to Anthony and Govindaraja, strategy is a process in systematic management which is defined as a process in making decisions on program to be important by the organization and estimate of research that will be allocated in each program over the next few years. The strategy management process consists of three stages. Three stages are as follows: strategy formulation, strategy implementation, and strategy evaluation. Human resource management. Human resource management is personnel management, is the planning, organizing, directing, and controlling of the procurement, development, compensation, integration, and maintenance of the people for the purpose of contributing to organizational, individual, and social goals. Personnel management is planning, organizing, directing, supervising the activity of production, development, compensation, integration, maintenance of employees or employers in order to achieve individual, organizational, and company goals. The statement from LIPO equates the notion of human resource management with personnel management. It is also said by Ripple, the existence of human resource management is very important for companies is managing, organizing, managing, and using human resource so that they can function effectively, productively, and efficiently to achieve company goals. A well-coordinated human resource management strategy shows that the company human resource can carry out these functions effectively as planned by the company. Effective resource management will lead to the achievement of organizational goals, namely competitive advantage. Competitive advantage is at the heart of a company. Performance is in this competitive market. So, it is very important for companies to maintain competitive advantage. One way that companies can do is to implement human resource management strategy effectively and efficiently. Conclusion. The explanation about show that human resource management strategy involves consistent development of obligate practice to program and policy to facilitate the achievement of organizational strategy objectives. The human resource management strategy begins with planning the needs of the workforce. Emphasizes the importance of effective management of the work as a source of competitive advantage. This condition encourages academics to develop a framework that emphasizes the strategic role of human resource function. Meanwhile, human resource management includes the ability and potentials of leaders and employees in a company. Employees should not be treated as machines and need to be aware that employees have potential and talents that can continue to be developed for the benefit of the company. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.